Hi, it's Scott from Your Store Wizards, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your BigCommerce store to collect the new Colorado Department of Revenue retail delivery fee that went into effect on July 1st, 2022. To do this is pretty simple. You're just going to create a handling rule within your shipping settings in the back end of your BigCommerce store. So we're going to go to Settings, and we are going to click on shipping. And we're going to go ahead and create a new shipping zone. And it's going to be a custom zone, which we're going to set up. And in this instance, we're just going to call this the Colorado RDF. And we're going to select a specific state, which of course is going to be United States, and then Colorado. Now we're going to go over and click on handling fee. And this is going to be a single handling fee to all shipping methods within this zone, because it is going to apply to everything, whether it's free shipping, next day air, ground, postal service, whatever, and it's going to be a single handling fee. And this is going to be a fixed price. And in this instance, it is a flat 27%. Now, you're going to want to show this handling fee separately in the checkout. It'll show up as a handling fee going to Colorado. So we're going to go ahead and click that box right there. We're going to hit submit, and that's all you have to do. Your Colorado retail delivery fee is now set up, and it will automatically tack on that 27 cents one time to every order that is being shipped to someone in the state of Colorado. Now, are you required to collect the retail delivery fee? If you are transacting more than $100,000 in annual sales in the state of Colorado, you should already be collecting sales tax, and the new RDF fee will apply. If you are transacting less than $100,000 in sales to Colorado, you are probably not collecting sales tax, and at this point, you do not need to collect the retail delivery fee. So, real simple setup. There it is. The RDF fee for Colorado set up in your BigCommerce store. For more videos, visit us at support.yourstorewizards.com or just visit our website.